There is one, and only one thing, that Great Wall Motors has to do if it ever wants to outsell the Toyota Hilux. And that is offering an assured buyback of 60% after 5 years. All of us are well aware that depreciation is the biggest drain of money on a pickup. It is not the fuel cost or the maintenance cost. After all, a Hilux rarely burns more than $2,000 worth of diesel in a year. Maintenance cost is around $500 per annum. But the depreciation is bound to be $4,000 to $5,000 every year. That is much worse in case of the Cannon Aplha, which is around $8,000 to $9,000. In fact, it is a lot worse than the $1,000 it will save from charging at home instead of filling up at the petrol station. Toyota has earned its residual value over decades, passing the ultimate test of reliability as the favorite terrorist vehicle. Plus, having a widespread service network with systematic processes honed to pure excellence has also helped its cause. Until Great Wall proves itself in this aspect, which will need at least a decade, even with the best of their effort, they need to bump up their residuals artificially. Some Chinese car makers like MG are already doing this in some crucial markets. On the other hand, if you want to avoid wasting years and years of your precious driving life frustrated behind the wheel of a slowpoke Hilux, just test drive a plug-in Cannon. If you make peace with a $3,000 loss per year compared to the Hilux, you'll have a blast behind the wheel. The Cannon Aplha has 400 horsepower at your disposal, 250 more than the Hilux. No wonder it takes half as much time to reach 100 kph compared to the Hilux. Plus, you never have to listen to the incessant diesel clatter that you get in the Hilux. The difference in features is ridiculous as well. Check out the pinned comment for a long list of items that a Cannon Aplha offers over a workmate Hilux. There is, however, one important difference to keep in mind, especially if you're a tradie, and that's the difference in the payload of almost 400 kilos thanks to the mammoth 37 kilowatt-hour battery of the Cannon. That being said, the towing capacity of the Cannon is at par with the Hilux. Not a ton less like the BYD Sharks. Regardless, the Hilux still remains the better choice as a pure work truck. And finally, coming to the price, the Cannon Aplha is exactly $10,000 more expensive than the base Hilux. That is $44 over the Hilux in weekly payments. Totally worth it if you think of it as $1 for every effortless overtake. Thanks a ton for watching till the end. Check out this controversial video that we have published recently. And please type out all your criticisms and disagreements in the comment box below. We absolutely enjoy replying to each and every one of them.